G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. Today we're diving into the top 3 mistakes people make with evaporative coolers and how to avoid them. Whether you're using one at home, in a workshop or on a job site, these tips could save you time, money and a whole lot of frustration. Let's get into it. The first mistake people make with evaporative coolers is using them in the wrong conditions. Evaporative coolers work best in hot, dry environments. That's because they rely on water evaporation to cool the air. If the air's already humid, like during coastal storms or muggy summer days, they won't do much more than blow warm, hot air around the space. To avoid this mistake from happening, check your local humidity levels before use. If you're dealing with high moisture in the air, you're better off with a portable air conditioner or mechanical ventilation setup. The second mistake people make with evaporative coolers, which catches people out all the time, is running an evaporative cooler in a closed space. Evaporative coolers need airflow. You need a crack in the window to open a roller door, anything to let the moist air out and pull the fresh air in. To avoid making this mistake, think of it like this: fresh air in, warm, humid air out. No airflow, no cooling. So if you're working in a shed or side office, keep a cross breeze going. It makes a massive difference. The third mistake people make with evaporative coolers is forgetting about the preventative maintenance of the units themselves. Now I get it. No one wants to muck around with filters and tanks, but if you're not cleaning the pads and checking the water tank, you're asking for trouble. Over time, dust and mineral buildup can clog the system, reduce efficiency, and even start to smell. Not ideal in a workspace. To avoid making this mistake, give it a rinse every week during heavy use. And don't forget to empty the tank if you're storing it. Stagnant water is a breeding ground for bacteria. If you look after your cooler, it will definitely look after you. So there you have it, right climate, proper ventilation, and regular maintenance. Get those 3 right, and your evaporative cooler will run like a dream. If you're still unsure what type of cooling you need for your space, give us a call on 1300 900 345 or check out the full range at www.fanmaster.com.au. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on heating, cooling, and ventilation.